Watch how I turn this swamp pool into a clean and ready-to-use pool.
Oh, the agony. The agony. I have to clean out this pool. I let it go drained. Of course, the rain came, but then fall, the leaves fell, and then all the other scum. Sorry and so embarrassed. So embarrassed to show you this, but this is what my pool looks like. What happened to that blue crystal water? Okay, so here's my plan. I've got a broom. I've got a rake. And I have a pump. Now this pump is showing that it's at least 3 inches of water. And it just vacuums it up into this hose. The hose was pretty nice because it was very long. A lot of water coming out. Even more nice is the power cord to this pump. It goes and goes and goes and goes and goes and goes and goes all the way up there to where it plugs in. That's handy as heck. That way you don't have a spare electrical cord with possibly the connection in this water. So, my plan is let's get all the leaves out best I can. I already pulled out 2 branches that had fallen from the tree there, and we're going to drain all this stuff out. I have my hose handy, so I will continue to wash it, clean it, let it drain out, and let's see what it looks like later. Oh, embarrassing. All right, let's get this thing started. Okay, so you remember how it looked. Horrible. We did a little bit of cleaning, and I used the pump. I pumped out as much as I could. But now it's time for the shop vac. Do note that a lot of danger in electricity and water. So I tied it off so this will never come in here. So I've been vacuuming probably for about 20 minutes, and I got it to this point. Just want to give you an idea of what goes on in the shop vac when you're doing liquid. When you do these, there's a big filter right here. And you have to pull that filter off. And inside here is a ball. And when the water hits that ball, it stops. That tells you you're full. Just going to give it a little bit of a cleanup. And then we're going to get rid of this water, if you call that Louisiana water. No, I'm kidding. Roughly about 2 gallons. And we start again. So let me get the lid on. I'll show you how it looks. We're almost done here. Okay, once I clean this up, I'm going to hit it with the hose. We're going to do it again until it's all gone. We'll take a look at it from there. Okay, this is 20 minutes later after the shop vac. It's ready for water.